Cambridge is rolling out a summer for you to enjoy. Whether you live here or are visiting, our historic downtown core will be a great summer destination. This is the perfect time to come out and enjoy the pedestrian-friendly street in the historic Galt area, the live music, jazz afternoons, boutique shops, specialty shops and more. Follow Highway 24 to the Cambridge core. I've listed parking in the description below. Cambridge Main Street in the Galt core is one of the most historic streets in Ontario, with buildings that are over 150 years old and rich in history. It's also filled with restaurants and businesses that are eye-catching and fabulous. The lower portion of Main Street between Water Street and Ainslie Street has been closed off for the public to enjoy this outdoor space from May to October 10th, with a variety of tables and chairs that make it a perfect place to have a meal from any of the nearby restaurants. In this one block section alone, there are a bevy of food establishments, with 2 more looking to open soon. What are you craving? From the local eatery to 13 food and beverage, sugar daddies to taste of joy, you'll have a mouth-watering range of options. From a full meal to snacks to just something sweet, grab what you desire and take a seat at any of the different areas. Choose from Muskoka chairs, picnic tables, to seating at tables. Just make yourself comfortable. But you can grab your food from any of the numerous restaurants, bakeries and takeouts in the core and enjoy it in the pedestrian-friendly space. Look forward to hearing live music every Thursday from 6 to 8, and on the first Sunday of every month, the area will be filled with the sound of jazz between 2 and 5 with the Galt Jazz Music Concert Series. But how about before you fill your appetite, you do a bit of shopping first? There are amazing stores and services between Ainslie and Water Street, with 2 new stores opening soon. But in the blocks around Main Street, you're looking at over 30 shops that will have you interested in what they have. Stores that are unique to Cambridge that you won't find anywhere else, with a variety of great stuff for you to discover. There will be a pop-up market on Main Street every second Saturday of the month. Enjoy the downtown core by strolling to the Saturday Farmers Market, the Fire Hall Museum, Sculpture Gardens, pedestrian walk across the river, and finish your day with the evening light show on the Old Post Office Library. You can follow any of the walking tours that I've listed in the description below.